Hare Krishna. Wish you all a very happy Shri Krishna Janmashtami. Janmashtami, also called Krishnashtami or Gokulashtami, is the festival to celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna. On this special occasion, let us see the birth of Lord Sri Krishna in the form of a puppet show. Devaki was a dear sister of King Kamsa. After Devaki's marriage with Vasudeva, Kamsa was personally driving the chariot to escort Devaki and Vasudeva home. As he was driving, he heard a celestial voice.
"Oh King Kamsa, you are such a fool! You are driving the chariot of your sister and brother-in-law, but you do not know that the eighth son of Devaki will destroy you."
What? No! Never! I will not let that happen! I will not allow the eighth son to see the world! Let me slay Devaki right away!
No, brother! You can't do this to me! Kamsa, no! Stop that! Devaki is innocent. Please, leave her. I promise to hand over my eighth child to you.
I'll spare her now. Make sure you submit not only your eighth son, but all the sons born to Devaki.
Kamsa was very restless. He kept many guards around Vasudeva and Devaki. Very soon, Devaki gave birth to her first child. The guards gave this news to Kamsa.
Should I destroy this baby, or just slaying the eighth child will do? No, I can't take a chance. I'll slay all the sons born to Devaki.
Kamsa slayed the first child born to Devaki, and then the second child, and then the third. Thus, he slayed 6 children of Devaki and Vasudeva. The 7th child was transferred to Mother Rohini by magical powers of Yogamaya. Finally, the day arrived when Lord Sri Krishna appeared at midnight on the day of Krishna Paksha Ashtami in the month of Bhadrapad. The Lord appeared in his four-handed form in yellow silken dhoti and was adored with jewels. Vasudeva and Devaki were feeling very blessed and happy.
Do not fear. Kamsa cannot harm me. Vasudeva and you had meditated on my form for many years. You wanted a son like me. There is no one like me in this creation, so I myself have appeared as your son. I have appeared to destroy Kamsa. Vasudeva, quickly take me to Nanda Maharaja's house in Gokul. Mother Yashoda has given birth to a baby girl. Exchange me with the baby girl.
Saying so, Lord Krishna transformed himself into a beautiful baby. Devaki embraced Krishna. She was very afraid that any moment Kamsa may come and destroy her child. So she quickly placed him in a nice basket.
My lord, how will I go out of this prison? There are so many guards outside.
The moment Vasudeva picked up Krishna, the doors of the prison opened wide. The guards went to sleep. Vasudeva went as fast as he could. It was raining and thundering. Vasudeva had to cross river Yamuna. Yamuna was very happy to receive Krishna and made way for Vasudeva. Vasudeva exchanged the children and rushed back to Mathura. The guards were still sleeping. He handed over the baby girl to Devaki. The baby girl started crying. The guards immediately got up and ran to give the news to Kamsa.
Your Majesty, the most awaited eighth child is born.
Where is my sword? I shall destroy the eighth child in no time.
Kamsa rushed towards the prison and shouted,
Devaki! Give me your eighth child.
Oh, brother, this is a baby girl. What harm can she cause to you? Please, please don't slay her.
Kamsa pulled the baby girl from Devaki's arms and threw her on a rocky stone. To his surprise, she flew from his hands up into the sky. She was Yogamaya.
Oh, foolish Kamsa! Devaki's eighth son has already appeared and is in a safe place far from here. He will surely destroy you very soon.
In Gokul, Yashoda was very happy to see her newborn beautiful baby. The beautiful blue boy was little Krishna. Next day, there was a grand abhishek with milk, curds, ghee, honey, and many more auspicious ingredients. They are showering flowers on baby Krishna.
ईश्वर परमः कृष्णः सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहः अनादिरादिर्गोविन्दः सर्वकारणकारणं चिन्तामणिप्रकरसद्मसुकल्पवृक्षा लक्षावृतेषु सुरभिरभिपालयन्तम् लक्ष्मीसहस्रशतसम्भ्रमसेव्यमानम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि.
His eyes were like petals of a lotus. His chubby cheeks and enchanting smile attracted all the people of Gokul. All the residents visited Yashoda's house with so many gifts for little Krishna. Nanda Maharaj, Krishna's father, gave a lot of donation to the Brahmanas. Everyone glorified the wonderful baby. Vedic hymns were being chanted. Everyone is dancing and singing. It was Krishna's appearance day. Krishna Janmashtami ki Jai. Hare Krishna.